input and output. Think of what the term is. That's right, .io. That's right, .io games. You might remember that name thanks to Ogaio or Slither.io. It's basically a website domain that was designed for people to make games or associate with this technology, as coordinating or designed for input and output. The games are designed for input and output, or I/O, an online-based game. The higher the score, the more advantage you get. The .io games are using disaster code with only adding stuff into their game to make it more enjoyable, like splitting your die into two forms from Ogaio, trapping a player over a snake from Slither.io, or shooting a ship or a player to level up from .io. The .io game has become the most popular gaming title in the gaming world, with .io becoming the new gaming genre in recent days, allowing more developers to create dozens of .io games with the exact same code and the exact same online-based gaming mechanic. Now it's no secret that you want to make an online-based game to make. In fact, it's too expensive to make an online-based server game with this. So what are you gonna do to make an online-based server without an expensive online service? Well, just use an NPC into a player so that will make people think this is an online game. Then produce this game by a $1 video game publisher who probably have a lot of money to afford this expensive online gaming service supercomputer. And once they're done, you have made an online .io game without the use of online services with this, because that is too expensive for making an online game service for a supercomputer. Oh boy, these games are suck without the use of online services. That's right, we are diving into all the .io games in which all the players to get this is an online game. But in reality, the people that you play as is the NPCs, mainly using it just to save money without the use of this. Alright, enough of that. Let's just try to get into the game themselves that was produced by a blue-stone company who probably has spent too much money to afford this. So let's just dive into the game itself. And to prove that these games are fake, I'm gonna turn the Wi-Fi off so that you will know that these games are fake, so you don't have to. So the first game we're looking at is Paper.io. So the goal of this game is simple. Capture as much land as possible, and once you capture all of them, you suddenly capture all of the existing ones. Much like creating a country, just capture all the lands that you conquer and create your own country. And just like countries invade other countries that we've seen a billion times throughout history, you conquer a piece of other NPC existing lands as well. Oh crap, I didn't see that coming. Alright, so basically as I said, you capture all the existing ones that you just captured. But when you capture the existing land that you captured, you instantly create a trail. And if an NPC touches one of your trails, it's game over for you. It's basically like the opposite of Slither.io, whereas instead of someone touching one of your trails, it immediately died. This game, when someone touched one of your trails, you immediately died. Be sure to counter one of these because, yeah, it's a bit challenging when you play this game. And also, I forgot to mention, if you suddenly touch one of your trails, well, yeah, you will die if you touch your old trails. Now there's not much to say about this game. I mean, it's just an average input and output game. For the only exception of this is the fact that it has fake multiplayer with NPCs as players, even though the game itself looks like exactly like a multiplayer game. And there's a bunch of threats that pop out on the screen that even when you play the game without even doing anything, it has popped off. See? So overall, Paper.io is fine, but not the greatest one by a bit, so let's just move on to the next game on our list. So the next game we'll be looking at is Bomber.io. Alright, let's start the game. So the main purpose of this .io game that is probably another online based game is to wrestling some NPC players like some kind of huge battle going on the island in the middle of nowhere. It's a bunch of fake players wrestling each other out for dominance. And all you have to do is wrestling these NPC players, mainly kicking out into a battlefield for good. Therefore, makes your character grow even bigger, which makes the NPC players who were smaller than you are screwed. But watch out, as the land you stand on gets shrinking as the game progresses. And after you won and become first place, it takes you into another level, who basically is just a lattice chain to each shape, who basically makes the game go even harder. So now the game itself, it's just not the greatest. I mean, it's just another offline $.io game. We only accept notice is that it has a lot of NPCs who pretend to be real players, by the way. Oh, there's a sound of this game? Well, there's no sound of this game. If you play this game, you know what I mean. And you know what? For the sake of this, I'm just adding the sound for this game so that you will think this game has sound effects. So no bother. Edit. Good lord. So overall, folks, this game is not very good. I mean, it's just another mediocre $.io game with just wasting all the players who are not actually with people that you play us, but with NPCs. But just look at it, man. This game is so good that I want to beat this game so much that I want to beat it this so much hard. Oh my goodness. Again. We can do this. We can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Wait, what am I doing? I feel like I'm getting addicted to supercomputer. Oh, goodness. Let's just move on to the next game. Jeez. Oh, jeez. Alright, the next $.io game that we dive into is StringIO. Let's dive into it. Wait, this seems familiar. No. This can't be. No. The freaking other witcher of paper $.io and we dive into it at the beginning of the video. Alright, so StringIO. This game is follow the same premise as paper $.io that we covered at the beginning of this video. The gameplay is much as the same as paper $.io. You capture the existing lands that you conquer, you use the trail that you use to capture the existing lands, and when someone touches one of your trails, you immediately die. These are the three similarities that these two games have in common, but there's also differences that StringIO have while paper $.io does not have. The first difference is that in paper $.io, if you touch one of your trails, you eventually die. But in StringIO, you can't touch one of your trails without immediately dying, so that's a nice difference. The second of which is that the controls of these games. In paper $.io, the controls of these games are just downright awful. The controls of this are just simple. Left, right, up, and down. That's it. The game has no smooth touchscreen with satisfying way to play this as a joystick. Paper $.io 2 has left the chat, but in StringIO, hell yeah, the controls are much more smoother than the left, right, up and down gimmick. I can take one of your NPCs. Take this. Oh, and the freedom of which is that you crash each other, so that's a nice difference, right? Right? Anyways, and another fourth difference is that you know, let's just talk about the game itself. Wait, what the? This is probably the most difficult challenge yet I ever seen in this game than Paper.io. These NPCs are outsmarted me to the point that I died because of them. Maybe it's me, but this... Oh god, I think it's because I suck at this game. All the NPCs are driving me insane. Alright, let's talk about the game itself. The gameplay is fine, at least it's better than Paper.io gameplay. And also, it is just real, or these existing land blocks are almost exactly like the gaming RPG. And I don't know, maybe it's just me, so I leave it up to you. Yeah, there's not much to say about this game, so let's just move on to the next game. The next offline.io game is Snowball.io. It's just another retread of Bomber.io, but instead of racing each other out, you play with snowballs to fight with. Yay! So the goal of this game is just snowball each other out for dominance, just like that. And the goal of this is to create a snowball from snow, and once you use your snowball, you might use them as a way to immediately cause the NPC to get out, or use as a shield to defend yourself from attacking the snowballs who will try to kick you out of the battlefield. And just like Bomber.io, where you win the game, there are also some levels where, you guessed it, change other landscape where it just makes your game go even harder. Also, you were wondering what the rest stands for. Well, the land is getting sinking, like iceberg getting sinking to the bottom of the ocean. So yeah, be sure to not stand on the red spot because you will die if you stand on them. Overall, Snowball.io is just another hollow retread of Bomber.io. There's no original stuff that you have except the fact that it has snowballs, so that sucks. So yeah, this game is not well made, so let's just move on to the final .io game in existence. Alright, we finally finished the last offline.io game in existence, and on that list is Farmer.io. Oh, please end this suffering. Oh god, not this. Oh no. Oh come on, please end this now. Okay, so the game is just you farming all these wheats, and I guess it's probably a corn of wheat or something like that. And I guess you just continue farming these crap wheats until you win or not. Yeah, there's not much to say about this game. Oh come on, give me a break. Jeez. So the gameplay itself, it just, oh god, I'm done with this game. So you just play your chapter-in-law, and all you have to do is just farm all the wheat that you collected, that you stored on. I mean, you collecting all the wheat and that's it. Oh great. So just like all the offline.io games that I talk about in this video, this game is so much crap than all of them. It's not because of the fact that it's just you farming all the wheat. In fact, it's the cart itself. Once you collected all the wheat, it stores into the cart a lot. It's like putting StringIO on tractors. And the worst part about it is that if you touch them, your tractor crash and it's game over. It's basically the worst version of Paper.io but on tractors. And don't get me started about the NPCs. Oh, these are worse. These bots are the reason these .io games on mobile nowadays are crap now. You can't describe them that these are .io games. They are not. If you think what a .io game is, it's a multi-media server that connects you online and plays on Wi-Fi. These games are not. These games are not to use the same gimmick as the real offline .io games. They are used to make people think that these games are online games, when in reality they are just faking it to make a bunch of money. And that's not even the worst part about it, that these are a cash cow money grab. It makes the mobile gaming industry is to a piece of cash cow up on the spiral mobile games, with that being a reason that mobile games look like crap nowadays. Like, I could talk about the schlucks of garbage mobile games nowadays that killed the mobile games for good, but that is too long for a video talking about offline .io games, so I will leave it there for a future video. So, what am I to think about these offline .io games? I don't know how to say this, but it's just downright mediocre awkwardness. I mean, some of them are fine, like Baba.io for example, that I almost got addicted to, so which is kind of anticlimactic when I played this game, so yeah. But some of them are just downright freaking crap. Like, how much my brain to get processed through these brain rot piece of schlock up this. I need to put on my phone to get off the brain dead game out of my life. Oh man, I need to go to bed. Oh my god. Please. Please. Get over me. Oh my god. Please end this. I can't take it anymore. Oh my god, I can't take it anymore. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to uninstall these little games. I can't freaking take it anymore. Say that, you big piece of brain dead crap.